When you hear the word Pandora, what do you think? You might, like any common person, think of it as the unfortunate box that brings great troubles in the disguise of great gifts from the ancient Greek legend. But don't be fooled when in today's day someone talks of the Pandora papers. Hello everyone, welcome to the digital platform of Tarun IAS. I am Nandini Bhatnagar and today we are talking about the big reveal, the Pandora papers. Now, you may ask, what exactly is the Pandora paper leak? Documents have been found which name big names ranging from politicians to sportsperson, business empire owners, celebrities from all around the world who own offshore companies. These documents relate to the ownership of assets in private offshore trusts and the investments including cash, shareholding, and real estate properties held by the offshore entities. Around 380 Indian nationality personalities have been recognized in these documents. So, what do these papers uncover? These papers were found by the International Consortium of Investigative Journalists, ICIJ, in Washington, D.C., in almost 12 million documents and files. They detail how big names have set up trust structures for estate planning in locations that are loosely regulated for tax purposes. They have bought offshore companies and assets to hide the real amount of the wealth they hold and avoid tax evasions. Now, let us understand what offshore means. Offshore here means these territories are located in areas where there is an ease to set up companies, there exists no way to find the owners, and where there is no corruption possible. The documents have discovered this information from about 14 sources containing about 2.94 terabyte of data. The revelation of this paper comes after various other data leaks like the Panama leak or the Paradise paper leaks. So then, how different is the Pandora leak from these other leaks? The Panama and Paradise papers dealt largely with offshore entities set up by individuals and corporates respectively. The Pandora Papers investigation shows how businesses have created a new normal after countries have been forced to tighten the screws on such offshore entities with rising concerns of money laundering, terrorism funding, and tax evasion. So, you might ask, is it legal setting up these trusts in offshore companies? Trusts are often set up by people to engage in estate planning. However, more and more people today are using this as a way to avoid or lower their taxes, and in recent times also for terrorism dealings and money laundering. The government has ordered a probe into the investigation to the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT, Enforcement Directorate, ED, and the Reserve Bank of India to investigate the matter. Now, which known names have been recognized in these documents? The names range from politicians to actors to even sportspersons. So, here are some of them reported by the Indian Express. The first name appearing is Sachin Tendulkar. Reportedly, the cricket legend owned a private offshore company in the British Virgin Islands that was liquidated in 2016. The assets amounted to about 8.6 million US dollars. Another name is Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. The owner of Biocon company has been named for her husband's firm that was barred by the SEBI earlier in July this year. Anil Ambani, the entrepreneur businessman who was found to be bankrupt, has also been named owning up to 18 private firms ranging from British Virgin Islands to Cyprus. Another name to be found is Jackie Shroff. He is found to be the main beneficiary for a trust set up in British Virgin Islands. Other names include international pop star Shakira, the King of Jordan, Nirav Modi's sister Purvi Modi, President of Russia Vladimir Putin, etc. However, the shocking names don't stop here. The other shocking exposed names include ex-chief of military intelligence and his son to have a firm set up in Seychelles. Two former officers of the Indian Revenue Service who was arrested for alleged corruption and money laundering, and another who was an income tax chief commissioner have Swiss bank accounts, and they have also been named in these papers. Among others, there are names like owner of the fitness app Healthify, Tushar Vashisht, for the same. So friends, we hope this video helped you in knowing about the controversial Pandora leak. Before you forget, like our video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for latest current affairs. Thank you.